Hey everybody, the PPF solution with our friends at Optical, Car Supplies Warehouse, so Jason, Otterness, and Eric, our buddies, they've made us a solution with a low-tack, so very DIY-friendly PPF solution. I have it on my countertops in Middleton, and did it myself. You saw me jank it together, and it's working great. Looks great. I did this one here. Looks great, but I needed a longer piece. So we're going to watch me fumble through this, and if I can do it, anybody can do it. And so we got some slip solution, which is just some baby shampoo in a bottle. We're going to soak this thing down and install it, and then I'll put the links in the description. It's now live on our site, so you can go to obsessedgarage.com. There's different countertop lengths where they'll custom make it. I think it takes a few weeks for them to template it, cut it, and ship it to you. And I think it's reasonably reasonable. It's not cheap because we're doing one-off pieces, but it's available and it works great. So I wanted to be sure it was the right film, and I think it's perfect. Yeah. So if you were to do something like Expel or something that there's a high tack, you'd have a hard time being a DIYer. Yeah. So let's see, how do we do this? The hardest part to me is getting this off the darn
roll. Yeah.
You
know what I like too is you look from the side. That's a deeper stainless color, if you will.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, too late now. I already. Lesson learned. More is better on the old slip solution. Yeah. Let's just get it everywhere.
Yeah, it just cleans things anyway.
Yep. All right, roll it back this way. Let me get this side. This was a hands-off my Rousseau countertops ultimatum to the whole company. And there was a lot of fingerprints on this. So clearly my ultimatums don't hold any weight.
A lot of forgetting.
They don't hold any weight in this place. All right, so now, so what we're gonna do, because I cut it so we can wrap it all the way underneath. So theoretically, maybe not.
Oh wait, yeah, this is short too.
Yeah, that's fine. It'll be easier for us to install. I thought I had it 28 inches.
I thought it was supposed to wrap all the way to here.
Yeah, this one I wrapped all the way underneath, but it's gonna be easier for me to do it this way anyway. So it's going to just slightly wrap the edge, which will be fine.
Okay.
It's going to look great. All right, so here, pull this back, and then I'll soak it with slip solution. On this big countertop, I think this is a two-man job. Oops.
Let me get the other side here.
Two not PPF experienced men job.
I take stickers off. I don't put them on.
Yeah. Okay, now let me do this, I think. What do you think? All right. And then bring it here to me. And because we have the slip solution, we can float it. So then float it, slide it around where it needs to go. Yep.
So you go like this.
And so, yep. And then I'm going to pull it that way.
I think we need a little more of that over here.
All right, go for it.
Pretty good.
Yep. Oh yeah, we're pros. Maybe not. All right, let's pull it from this way. Okay. And we'll get this,
down right here.
I just want to get this section off of here.
Yep.
So pull me back. Let's get.
Go like this. Or just a little tack there for some reason.
Yeah.
That's where we didn't have a lot of solution. There we go.
See, this is why you want a low tack, because if you try to do this with a lot of film.
We don't want to stretch it either. We got to be careful we don't stretch it.
Dang. Really bit.
It's got to go slow. There we go. Now
Okay.
it's a bunch now.
Well, I don't have a whole lot left, so. And I don't have any extra. Okay, bring it to me. Here.
We definitely look like noobs.
Yeah. But that's the cool thing about this film. I'm not trying to salesman you, but it's pretty forgiving. Okay, so now it should float it.
Okay, we're pretty good here. That's where we can a little bit back this way. Right there.
Okay, I want to get it up on
That's just to radius here. So.
Okay, so I need to, with my excess, I need to come this way, right?
Yeah.
So then all we do is just squeegee it out. And we'll just catch the water here.
That's good right there.
Yeah, I had ordered this.
You know, I think too, when you do it, squeegee it that direction, you're tugging it slightly this way. I would tack it all the way across going this way, maybe, and that'll lock it in to where it needs to be. And I'll just make sure your hinges work back. And we'll do that every few inches.
This makes me feel like a real pro when I do it this, and you squeegee the water out. Yep.
You just got to make sure you don't pull it away from the back piece there.
Yep. These fingers to work with here. See, when you say fingers, it makes you sound like you know what you're talking about. Until I end up with this and I don't know what to do. Now what?
You've done it more than I have. Right here. I haven't done even this much.
Yeah, and every time I do it, I'm like, oh boy, I ruined it, and then it works out. Ish.
You still look great over here.
Got a lot of extra material going on here. This is expert level, being this big of a piece, you know. As the PPF guys are cringing.
Yeah. That's not how I've seen it done on the internet. I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, I saw the one at your house looks great.
Yeah.
So apparently you did it well enough.
Or it's that easy to do this, not, you know, a front bumper.
Flat, so
yeah, not a front bumper,
I don't
but.
think it gets easier than,
Well, I haven't gotten through. Let's keep our mouth shut until I get this, all this business out of here in the middle. No big deal. This is only going to become our international showroom here. Everybody's going to be judging my work, especially once you get the under cabinet lighting under here, and you're going to really see my mistakes. Put it under a spotlight. Where did I get this janky yellow towel? That's what I want to know. It came from somewhere.
It's a freebie, probably ship or something.
Mm-hmm. I'm in HQ and I don't have any glass cleaner. I don't have any detailing supplies open and available to me. Yeah, so you have an option when you order, if you want it to be as easy as possible to install. Why do we have a big edge here? Okay, it's the same. It's the same. So this edge will tack after everything dries. But if you want it to be as easy as possible, don't do a wrapped edge. Makes it a little bit more difficult. Not a lot, but a little bit. So if you want to just do it flush cut like this, that's the easiest way to install it. But if you do wrap the edge like this, I'm going to let this dry for like 2 or 3 days, and then we'll have to come and have somebody just kind of tack the rest of it. So this will kind of sit. Because it's a low tack PPF, when you're doing the edges, you'll come back and kind of do those tomorrow, if you will. Or a couple of days from now when it's fully dry. And then it'll tack nicely. It's no problem for a pro like me.
I'm watching this in the wall, really.
Mm-hmm.
Why did I spend all that money?
You'll know how to do it now.
I don't know. Well, I can do my countertop for sure. I don't know about the car.
After watching somebody of this skill level, you'll know how to be good to go. Yep, so some of those bigger fingers, we'll take care of those after it dries. So don't freak out if you're installing your countertop, like, oh my gosh, I can't get this to go away. It will. So after it dries, it'll go away, and you just kind of leave it alone, and we'll be able to take care of that tomorrow. Same thing with this edge here. You know, this is not gonna stay, I don't think. Let's see. And that's it, man. You got yourself a very expensive, you know, I think this countertop's probably like $1,000. And now I've got it PPF'd, and then let's say you are hard on your countertops, just replace it every 6 months or so. Yes.
Right there.
Yeah, some of these will show up too, and they'll dry as well.
I think we're good. Where else though? Any other spots?
Yeah, you won't need to get a heat gun or anything out. It'll just work itself out here. I feel good about this though. It's pretty good, pretty good. And I've also found that on this PPF built Hember traceless works well. So it's okay to do whatever you need. So some of these, like this little bubble here, will dry. So you're better off not messing with the spots and letting them dry out than to keep messing with them. That's my advice, my professional advice. This is nice. I actually think the stainless looks better with it on.
Oh, I agree. That's what I was saying. Over there, that looks deeper. You know?
Mm-hmm, yep. So like these little air bubbles here, they'll all dry out.
Yeah, and this will get tackier after it dries.
Right. Yep. Okay. So that's a wrap, and then we'll come and just tack this edge down probably in a couple of days, maybe tomorrow morning, and we're good to go. So available on obsessedgarage.com. We'll put a link in the description. And it's a solution to a problem you didn't know you had, and now it's available. Just making dreams come true, Mike.
Yep. One dream at a time.
Yep. It's a problem that I had, and I'm like, well, it would be really nice if you didn't have to pay your PPF guy and you could just kind of do this yourself.
Yeah.
And so
Yeah, it's
now it exists.
easy.
Thanks for watching. See you soon.